I'm making a bird today. It's blue. And I don't know what to name it yet. First, I take the paintbrush, put it into the brown to make a brush. Well, actually the branch is already on there, so we'll make the bird now. The bird will be pretty, but it has to be really pretty. Don't want to get all the colors outside. And I know the paper is moving because that's what it looks like. See how the body's like that? The feet are going to go here and here. So it might be like it's sitting, but it's not. It's not going to sit. It's going to be cool. Now, we're going to take this and dip it into the blue again. And we're going to color the body. And see how it's not going out the lines? Because you don't want the pink to go out the lines. And don't get the colors mixed up, or that will be a big problem. Because sometimes when you get your paintbrush like that, you can't do it. Now we'll do the head. The head will be much smaller, but it's not going to be smaller. Like a really small head. It's going to be smaller like this. Like that. But you gotta leave space for the eye because it's a blue and white bird. So we have to leave it like that. Leave some of the parts like that. And don't leave some blue right there because we're going to put the eye there. And we're going to make a little swirl on its head. Like that. And that's different from other birds because birds don't have that stuff on its head. Now we come to the beak. The beak will be kind of small. Like this small. See? That's really smaller than I thought it would be. Then we're going to make a tongue. But the feet will be next. The tongue will be red. Everybody knows that tongues always need to be red. There. And the feet are going to go right here. Remember where I told you to put it? That's where I'm going to let you... Oh, never mind. Sorry. But here we go. That's the feet. And we don't know what we're going to name the bird yet, but I know what to name it. It's going to be Addie. We'll name it Addie. That's what we're naming it. Until we're going to name it Addie, we have to name it first. We first start with an A. And then 2 D's. And then we come to a Y. We come to a Y. There. Now that's a good bird. Now if you want to try it, you can. But this video is going on Facebook, and you might like to watch it. And I've done other birds. Their names are different from this bird. See all these birds? This is all these birds I've done. And now we come to that baby bird, and we forgot the wings. So we forgot. That's what we forgot. So we'll make some wings. It's going to be different. A different color blue. It's going to be a light blue. Hold on. I think that's enough. The wings are kind of dark. Hold on. I need to get some paint. There. Now, look. Put the paint there and make a little wing. There. Now we're done with the bird. And we named it Aggie. So that's all. All the birds are done. We got Pinky, Noopy, Zoop, and Addie. That's how you make this kind of bird. These birds are different kind of species, but they're from a game called The Legend of Zelda in Fairwoods Skyward Sword.